Scientific Study of Rig Veda, Class 3. Today we are going through another term that is there in the Veda. When starting any Sooktha, there are certain terms. First we have gone through Mandal. What is Mandal? Now today we are going through the next term that is used along with each Vedic stand. For that, let us go through that Sooktha, first Sooktha, and see what is the next term used in it.
RIGVEDam, Mandal-1, Ashtagam-1, Anuvak-1, Adhyayam-1, Sooktha-1. Rishi Madhu Chandas, Devada Agni, Chandas Gayatri.
The next term used in it is that is Rishi. Rishi means the person who wrote that Sooktha. That is Rishi. So it is the author of that Sooktha. That is one thing. There is some other importance to it because these terms are essential to understand the meaning of these Sooktas. Now we know Rig Veda contains all the science in this universe. So, but at the same time it is in this book. All these are included in this in the form of a nutshell. That is the Rig Veda. So each subject is explained in few words or sentences. In addition to that, to include all these substances in this Sookttas, they used a technology that is possible only through Sanskrit language. Because in Veda, each Sanskrit line, each Sooktha gives us different meanings. For example, consider the equation x plus y is equal to z. It has different meaning. X plus y is z is not an equation in Veda. Let us take some example. That is x plus y is equal to z. It has different meaning in different subjects. For example, x plus y is equal to z is meaningless as far as a language is concerned. But x plus y is equal to z is a chemical equation based on chemistry. And x plus y is equal to z is a algebra equation as per maths. X plus y is equal to z is an equation which connects between inputs and outputs as per other science subjects. So this same equation can be used to say different things in different subjects. This method is used in Vedas. For example, we know cow. Cow is an animal. By saying cow, we can take a different meanings. If it is related with the atom, it is the electron, because cow gives us milk, and this milk contains all the requirements of our body. Likewise, the electron is the thing. All the things in this universe are created by electrons, and so on. So depending on the science where it is applied, it has different meaning. So we want to know what is the real meaning of this Sooktha. That is why the author is mentioned along with each Sooktha, Rishi, because we know Rishis are specialized in special subjects, certain subjects. All the sciences are divided into 7 groups that we have already seen in the last class. And these subjects are assigned to certain Rishikulas. So each Rishis are specialized in certain subjects. So if one Rishi says something, most probably it may be telling about a particular subject. For example, if there is a Sooktha come out from Agastya, most probably it may be in connection with the medicine, Ayurveda, because Ayurveda is related with Ayurveda. Likewise, these subjects are divided into 7, and it is assigned to 7 Rishikulas, and that is the mentioned in the RIG VEDA from Mandal-1 to 8. So noting the Rishi, we can decide what he is going to tell about what subjects. For example, consider an English lecture or a teacher. If he says x plus y is equal to z, that is a foolish statement. He will not say so, because it has no meaning in English language. X plus y is not equal to z as per English language. So an English teacher will not use that equation. If it is true, then for writing zoo, Z-O-O, we can put x plus y is equal to z. Instead of z, we can write x plus y, then O-O, zoo. We will get the 0 mark. So it is a foolish statement as per English language. This x plus y is equal to z is a foolish statement. No English teacher will say so. But if a chemistry teacher uses this equation x plus y is equal to z in his class, that means it is a chemical equation. Here x plus y are the reactants. X may be hydrogen, y may be oxygen. X plus y, hydrogen and oxygen, combines to form Z. Z is water. So this is a chemistry subject. He is talking about chemistry. If a maths teacher in his class says x plus y is equal to z, then we know that it is an algebraic equation. X and y are certain unknown numbers. By substituting certain x and y and by calculating this, he will find out the unknown number. That is algebra. So it and if he is another science teacher, if he says so, then x plus y means inputs and z is output. In electronics, x plus y is equal to z means x and y are inputs and z is the output, and in management subject also. So using this word x plus y is equal to z in Sanskrit, it has different meaning. If we are thinking about chemistry, we can take it as a chemical equation. If we are thinking about about maths, it has meaning related with math subjects. That is, to unknown subjects, numbers can be found out by using algebra. If it is given, if we are electronics or management or IT professional, we will get another term, another meaning to this same x plus y is equal to z. That is, x plus y are inputs and x plus y gives output. By giving these inputs, we will get the output. So it is a system. As per modern science, modern management principle also. So, using such a technique, by giving the several subject can be included in the Sooktha, and to know actually what is the meaning, we can try to see who is the author of that Sooktha, that is the Rishi, and try to understand which subject he is, in which subject he is in specialized. So these Rishis will help us to understand the correct meaning of that Sooktha. That is one method. There are, the most important method is, there is another term that we can see in the next class, that is Chantas, that we can see in the coming classes. So Rishis means, one is it is the author, then by knowing his subject we can decide what he is going to say. So it will help us to understand the correct meaning of that Sooktha.